People of God, there are some principles of divine increase that we must not lose touch of. One of them is stewardship. Stewardship is taking care of something that belongs to someone. Whenever God increases us financially or in terms of material possession, it is a call to stewardship and not showmanship. Many a times when we experience a sort of miraculous increase or we experience some blessings in material possessions themselves are not blessings. But when God blesses us in that area, we want to go and show off to people. But the purpose is not to show off to people. The purpose is to demonstrate stewardship. That money, that job, that promotion, that house is not for you alone.